Hey, there's certain things, man. There's certain things in our industry that you cannot miss ever. All right. I'm about to drop one here pretty soon. Stay with me, okay? You definitely want to hear what I'm about to say. All right. I'm having some legends. I just signed Les Brown to be a part of our virtual 8% Nation conference for free. We also just added Eric Thomas to the 8% Nation crew this year. Tom Hegna, industry expert, right? Speaker. Brian Tracy, sales legend, okay? Myself, about 24 other industry speakers that were handpicked by me, okay? Handpicked by me. There's 6, 7, and 8-figure earners that I selected because they have a purpose, a message, and a song to sing to help insurance agents. They specifically have done certain things to be successful. There's steps that they took, okay? And I know that if you know what they know, let me say that again. I know that if you know what they know, everything will change for you. The game will change, right? For everything to change, you got to change, right? And this event is a must attend, a must see, a cannot miss. I got my glasses on, and I'm in Coach Bert's new Greatness Factory in downtown Nashville today. I am in a Target polo and glasses and like a whole new different wardrobe because I traveled from Wyoming to Dallas, and then my Dallas flight got delayed. Then a Springfield flight got canceled. And I'm telling you this stuff for a reason why, so stay with me, okay? Springfield flight got canceled. Destin flight got canceled. Nashville flight got canceled, right? Like the show must go on. Things in your life are going to cancel, right? I ran out of contacts. My bag gets left in Dallas, and I've been in Nashville for a couple days and still don't have it, right? So I feel like I'm this, homeless, bagless dude running around, traveling the world, trying to help people like you, okay? And here's what I know. I know that when life gets tough, the show must go on. I know that I'm getting these super freaking incredible, crazy expensive, massive names to you for free because I know how much it's gonna help you, right? Like I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Like I'm losing money on a bunch of events so I can keep helping you win and succeed. Like I'm that dude, right? In the industry that's gonna keep showing up in your life to help you win. I want you to win, and I know you want it too, but I wanna know, how bad do you really want it, right? Like how am I landing these massive freaking names, right? I've landed Grant Cardone, Ray Lewis, Michael Irvin, Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, Inky Johnson, Justin Forsett, the list goes on and on, right? Brian Tracy, Eric Thomas, E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher, Les Brown, one of the best motivational speakers on the planet, come on. Tom Hegna. Like I'm around all these people and I'm landing these people because I know that if you know what they know, right? I really know that, okay, they've got specific things that they've done in their life that can help motivate and inspire you, okay, to success. There's been people that have motivated and inspired me to success in the past. And by getting around them and knowing what they know, it's helped inspire me to be successful. And I know it's gonna help inspire you to be successful, right? That's also why I've got 24 other industry speakers. Like there's a lot of you that aren't making 6 figures. Everyone can make 6 figures if you know what these speakers know, if you know what I know, okay? Even if you're like, okay, I'm making 6 figures, you think you're a hot shot. Good for you, okay? 6 figures is freaking easy, all right? A lot of people they like, oh, I made 100 grand last year, and they like start beating their chest, and they get this freaking ego, and they like get all, they get all puffed out, and they're like, I'm the greatest. And it's like, dude, 6 figures is easy. Why not try to get to 7 figures now? Okay? If you made 7 figures, you're like, dude, I've got a company making 7 figures. Great. I can take any company on the planet and turn it into a 7-figure company. fan-freaking-tastic, okay? You're like, dude, I'm like, if your company's making seven figures, it doesn't mean you're personally making seven figures either. I didn't used to understand that, the whole company revenue versus personal income, like those are different stories, okay? If you're like, okay, I'm making seven figures, how do I take this freaking deal, I've got this small baby deal, and turn it into a big deal and turn it into 8 figures, right? Like I gave a speech at 8% Nation, at the 1% conference on 8 rules to 8 figures. Okay, if you're doing 7 figures, you can do 8 figures so that you can at least start to pay yourself 7 figures personally. Okay, like there's steps to this whole thing. I'm gonna be talking about this exact thing on the 8% Nation virtual conference. Again, the link is in the description below for you to register. I'm gonna be talking about this whole thing at this event. 8% Nation, the whole theme was meant to help people like you take the next level in their life. Like someone's like, dude, why would I go? You would go because you want life to get really good. You want everything to change, and you want to get specific nuggets, hacks, secrets, tricks, strategies, tips, whatever, to freaking scale this thing. And you're tired of freaking playing and living small. A lot of people in the industry are like, dude, I make 6 figures, you know? Wonderful. Have you ever made 7? Oh, my company does 7 figures. Okay, great. Have you ever done 8 figures? Like, dude, there's a whole nother level to this thing of scaling, right? Because the person, say you help 100 clients this year. Say I help 200 clients this year. Who helped more people? Me. Who's more selfish? You, because you didn't help as many people, which means you thought about yourself, right? You didn't work as hard, you were lazy, whatever, okay? So for this whole thing to keep getting better for you, you've got to show up, change your mindset, have a breakthrough, and something great has to happen that flips the switch for you, okay? Now, for something great to happen, you got to get in the room with big-time great people. I'm filling a Zoom room with unbelievable speakers from all over the world, right? All different backgrounds, all different types of people, selling different products, different experience levels, right? Etc. that are meant to help you succeed. Okay, so I'm gonna spend $100,000 just on the virtual conference minimum just to help you win. I'm committed to you winning, right? It's not over, as Les Brown says in his big speech, man, it's not over until you win. You win by showing up, right? Step 1 to success, show up and show up anyway, okay? This is an event, 8% Nation Virtual Conference is an event that you cannot afford to miss. I'm bringing the biggest names to you. I'm making it easy. I just need you, click the link below, register, freaking sit there, take in the knowledge, and change the game for you forever. See you there. Hey, if you enjoyed this, I got another one you're gonna love. It's right there. Click on it. See you in there.
Thank you so much. I want to thank Cody and Lauren for putting this on. Give those guys a big hand for doing this. Amazing event, okay? Amazing. Really, you guys, awesome. Like, when he called and said, hey, would you do this deal? The fact that they're willing to